また明日。
What happens after we die? Do we get isekai to another anime? Do we go to hell? Do we go to heaven? Or do we cease to exist? Taco P Original Sin is not gonna answer any of that question. But the idea of that is far too hard to imagine on what happens next. But we know one thing. People will live, keep living, until the remainder of time. But here's a question. Would you kill someone in order to live your own life much more freely, happily, and more comfortable? Hi, I'm Nando, here to prove a point. But first and foremost, please like and subscribe. Did you do it? Thank you very much. I love you. Do you know the anime called Doraemon? It is essentially the parody of Taco P Original Sin, but it is more lighthearted and towards the children. Taco P Original Sin is not that kind of anime. By the first episode, we are greeted by danger. There is something clearly sensitive about this anime. And even my brother, he can't handle anime like this. This anime is far too sensitive to even air. But it is such a quite good show, good experience by focusing 6 episodes, not 12, not 24, not 36, not 1000, but 6 episodes. It can deliver such a good animation, such a good plot, such a good storyline. But first and foremost, I like to say that this anime gives such a good perspective. If I read this material, I will not say that I like the manga more than the anime. No, the animation, the music, the soundtrack, the voice acting. Oh, it gives me chills just by watching it. The beauty of this anime is by sharing the experience of trauma, living your life. That's why the character is so young. They are all naive. They give each and every single one a hope, an innocent, and most importantly, the naivety. While the grown-ups so fucking
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
it makes my blood boil by seeing even a little inch of them. This is a byproduct of our society. The trauma, the bullying, and the expectation we got just because of this anime. It can see the bad side of the future of everything that it has shown. Taco P's Original Sin is a worthy of anime of the year. I'm just gonna flat out and say it. It is the best anime of 2025, excluding maybe Orb. I like Orb. It's such a good anime.
Help here! My house look like my father and my brother after 9 months.
I'm gonna read out the synopsis to you and judge whether you like it or not. Taco P's Original Sin follow a naive alien, Taco P, who crashes on Earth to spread happiness but instead find himself entangled in the brutal realities of human trauma and abuse. He befriends Shizuka, a girl facing cyberbullying at school and neglect at home, and attempts to use his happiness gadgets relieve Shizuka's suffering. This anime is something I personally recommend for you guys to watch. Instead of just jacking off every day to hentai or anime, please watch this. Anyway, that's it. Thank you and please subscribe.